Hey everybody, welcome back. I figured we'd show you our camp setup this year so you can see what it's all about. We have 8 camp chairs right here around our camp ring fire. We're up here in the National Forest, west of Buena Vista, Colorado, over Cottonwood Pass, near Taylor Reservoir. So camp chairs, we have a 12-foot by 20-foot Cabela's Alaknak tent. Cabela's has been making these forever, since way back in the day, before Cabela's was bought out by Bass Pro and things kind of went downhill. But you can see it's the Cabela's Outfitter Series Alaknak tent, 12 by 20. We also have a vestibule. How do you say that?
Vestibule.
We have a vestibule, I can't say that word, that we hook on this, but we didn't want to mess with it this time. So if you come inside, this is what we have this year. This is an old, what's it called? Team Nebo Sports cot that's like 30 years old. We have Camel Cot disco bed here. This is an XL size. There's a Teton Sports cot, a couple of Coleman cots, and a large size disco bed here. So that's what it takes to get 8 people to stay in here. 10 feet tall, super tall. If you come over here, you can see there's a stove jack area and a zip out. So if you wanted to do a wood stove, you can do it. We have the Mr. Heaters here. I posted a picture on Facebook and somebody said, what are you doing with a heater in August? Well, we're in the Rockies. So even though the daytime's going to get up to 80 degrees, nighttime's going down real close to freezing. Super cold in the morning. So here's what the outside of the tent looks like. It's that traditional kind of wall tent, outfitter style, military tent look to it. It's really cool. I have a Blackstone 10 by 10 tent here. Griddle more. Underneath, we have a Blackstone 28-inch adventure ready griddle. We have a Blackstone adventure ready prep cart. Shout out to my friends at Bouge RV for the power station and the refrigerator. We just got done eating breakfast. This is a Walmart folding table and chairs. This folds up real small. Get one of those cool little Kuglins, whatever. Picnic tablecloths on there. There's the back of the tent, so it's symmetrical. You could go in either end of the tent. And then over here is our bathroom slash shower. Ozark Trail brand from Walmart. So these have 2 rooms. Toilet right here. This is one of the vintage luggable loo lids that go on a toilet. We have cat litter that you use. We have toilet paper, and then over here is our shower side. We can zip this up separately. We'll be taking showers here shortly before we leave. It's an older Mr. Heater base camp shower. I don't even think they make them anymore. Battery has long since died, but we'll use our power station to power that up. 20-foot telescoping aluminum flagpole. We're very thankful that it's not windy right now. Yesterday the wind was insane. It was terrible, so we had to bring it down. So we have a Blackstone flag and of course American flag on top. I'll try to mix in some clips and some photos from our trip here so you can kind of see the surrounding area. We have beautiful Illinois Creek over there, and we're surrounded by foothills and mountains. So that's it, a quick video just to show you our family camping setup. It's a ton of work. We have a Ford Transit van, an XLT 350, 12-seater. We pull the back 2 seats out. It is loaded to the roof, and we have a tailgate carrier, and this stuff barely fits in there. This year was tougher than ever. So thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, praise the Lord.